Hello students, welcome to online session of Sanjeevan Public School Panhana. I think this is our first lecture of computer subject on 4th standard. I welcome all 4th standard students in our class. So students, be ready for new academic year, that is 2020-21. In 4th standard, you are having grades for the computer subject. So students, let us start with the chapter 1, that is paint. Students, you draw pictures in your art notebook, right? Likewise, similarly we can draw pictures in the computer also with the help of paint. So paint is used for drawing, coloring and editing the pictures. You can draw any type of picture with the help of paint, okay? And after drawing that picture, if you want to make changes in that picture, then you can also make changes, or you can edit the picture. Then you can also fill the colors inside that picture. Now we will see what are the steps to open the paint. The first step is click on start button. Then after second step is after clicking on start, you have to select all programs. After that, the third step is select accessories from the all program, and in that accessories you have to select the paint. Okay, I will show you it practically. Now I will show how to open the paint. Okay, here is the start button at the left side, down side, bottom side border. You can see here the start button is there. You have to select start button. Then after that you have to select all program. You can see here all programs is there. Okay, select all programs. Okay, after that in that all program you have to select the accessories. We will see where is the accessories. You can see here the accessories is here. Okay, select the accessories button. After that you have to select the paint from the accessories button. You can see here is the paint button. Okay, now the paint is getting started. When you open the paint, you will see the home tab is present here. Okay, see, in that home tab there are different options. What are the options on home tab? There are different options just like paste, cut, copy, select, crop, resize, rotate, brushes, shapes, lines, colors, etc. These are the options present in the home tab. Now we will see different tools present in the paint. Okay, the first tool you can see here, this is the pencil tool. Okay, what is the use of pencil tool? This tool draw a free-form line with the selected line width. Means with the help of this pencil we can draw the line. Now we will see what are the steps to draw a free-form line. The first step is click the pencil tool in the toolbox. Okay, then second step is select a color from the color box. Then third step is you can change the thickness of the line by selecting the lines given in the line patterns. Now I will show you practically. Okay, first step is you have to select the pencil tool. See, in the toolbox here is the pencil tool. Okay, select the pencil tool. After that you have to select the color. Okay, in which color you want to draw the picture. Okay, you have to select any color. We are choosing the red color here. Okay, select the red color, then that color is changed here. Okay, now I will draw any of diagram. Okay, I will draw. You can see here I have drawn one circle here. Okay, you can see. Now if I want to increase the size of this, then I can increase the size of this line, means the increase the size of the pencil. Select the size from here and again select or draw another line here. Okay, you can see here the thickness of the pencil or that line is getting increased here. Okay, so we can draw such type of diagrams here. Students, suppose I want to erase the picture, then which tool is used? the eraser or color eraser tool is used to erase that picture. Okay, this tool is useful for erasing part of the image. Okay, now what are the steps to erase an image? The first step is select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Okay, then second step is increase the size of the eraser from the size line given in the toolbox. Then third step is hold the eraser where you want to erase the part of the image or whole image. I will show it practically now. Now to erase the picture you have to select the eraser first. In the tools you are having the eraser here. Okay, select the eraser here, then you can rub this diagram with the help of eraser. Means you have to press your mouse left button and drag this eraser on the given diagram so that you can erase the whole diagram, or whatever diagram you want to erase, you can erase that diagram with the help of this eraser. Okay, so students, today we have seen how to open the pen and how to draw the diagram inside the pen, and if you want to change any diagram, then you can also erase that diagram and make changes in that particular diagram. Thank you.